Francisco or Los Angeles. All the phony checks I passed in the southwest, northwest, or along the west coast were first routed to Philadelphia, Boston, or some other point across the continent. My numbers game was the perfect...
17, Armonk in Westchester, nearly 20. Are we getting more snow on Sunday? Maybe not, after all. We'll have another live AccuWeather update with Dean coming up at 9:52. And...
Wow, 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 wow.
What the fuck is happening? Oh my god, what?
You motherfucker! Oh, you motherfucker. Olha aqui, 140, olha lá. Passou. Agora passou. Olha lá. Pronto.
I think I got that on film.
Oh my god!
PA system. I dialed my headset volume down to kill the feedback, then said, "You're wrong, Sorrento. We're coming in."
So I'm not really sure where this comes from, and I honestly, again, I watch Kyle's channel. I don't agree with everything that he says, but I enjoy getting the perspective that I do when I watch it. It gives me an alternative perspective, and I'm confident that if he looks into this, that he will be